Hello and welcome to Amazon Conversions. This will be your guide into working on our conversions in China. Our employees will be traveling to China to convert existing retail space into marketing and sampling stations for Amazon products. Our goals, we have 5. Our goal will be working with our Chinese supplier to pack and ship all the existing product in the retail space. Secondly, we'll have the retail space clean using local contractors. Third, we want to rebrand the retail space using our client's local signage contractor. Fourth, we will be receiving all of our clients' containers, shipping, and purchase orders. And finally, we will be staging the retail space for our client to take over. Working with contractors. This is not an easy task overseas. Though we provide maps for staging locations such as shelving and those types of things, there is sometimes a language barrier. English is a second language to China, but that is not always the case. So be sure to use the maps to help you point out locations, and always use your company smartphone as a translator. Chinese customs. When working with contractors, the Chinese have a few customs in regards to introduction. The junior should be introduced to the senior. The male should be introduced to the female. The inferior should be introduced to the superior. The host should be introduced to the guest. And also, the Chinese typically like to ask questions about your family. How many children do you have? Are you married? Those types of things. They like to get to know who they are working with. On to food. You wouldn't think that food was a big deal, but you will be asked to dine with some of our clients. There are a few policies that you should know in regards to food. There are customs to not be looked at as rude. It is polite to sample all of the food. Note that bones are to not be put on the bowl. They are actually to be put into a tissue, and there is a bowl provided. Chopsticks, they're fun to use. There's one note: you should never place your chopsticks upright in a bowl. That is a sign of death. Also, it is customary to leave a small bit of food on your plate. Sometimes, I know typically in America we clean our plates. That's not the case in China. Always leave a small bit of food. I would like to thank you for being a part of our Chinese connection at Amazon Conversions, as well as let you know how much we appreciate what you're doing and look forward to you making new Chinese connections for our business. Thanks, and have a great trip.